Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add an emoji to the email subject line on your Gmail email client. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up an email you're working on, and then select the little smiley icon at the bottom of the editing option bar here. Go ahead and select versus insert emoji. And then you can select the little smile icon in here and then select from an emoji in this list that you want to include in the subject line. You can select multiple if you'd like to do so. And then once you have them in the body of your email, you can just highlight over them, right click, and then copy image. Or you can tap Control C on your keyboard, whichever you prefer. And then you want to go up to the subject line, right click, and then paste that in. And that's all you have to do. And you can also do Control V as well if you would rather do the keyboard shortcut method. And that's about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.